though this is a fairly new chapter, it's bullying in the work environment. It's an important concept to recognize. A few years back, you wouldn't have seen something like this. It was just something that we were expected to tolerate, but it's really not. It's really not okay. And you should be able to go to your workplace and not be not be intimidated by coworkers or supervisors, and basically not be bullied. There are some definitions within the chapter that will alert you to what is and what is not bullying, how to handle bullies, maybe on a face-to-face basis, and then when to seek supervisory or managerial help when dealing with these people. And the last slide, I think, is actually kind of funny, but it's pretty true. And it says, "Are you a bully?" And it talks about do people behave towards you in a particular way, which not only is it to protect you from bullies, but also not to be one. And that's equally important as well. You should be able to go to your workplace and be able to perform your job and do it well without intimidation or